Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's dive into the beginner's guide on how to learn Korean. If you're excited to dive into the world of Korean language and culture, you are in the right place. Let's get started with a step-by-step process utilizing the power of ChatGPT. To begin, open your browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. That's where you will find ChatGPT platform. And if you are new here, don't worry. Check out the video link below for an easy guide on setting up your account. Learning Korean with ChatGPT is like having a language tutor at your fingertips. Let's make the most of it. First, let's start with the basics. Learn essential phrases and greetings. You can type these phrases into the ChatGPT interface to get help with pronunciation and correct usage. For instance, ask ChatGPT how to say hello, thank you, or goodbye. Practice until you feel comfortable. Next, use ChatGPT as your conversation partner. Practice having simple dialogues by typing in everyday situations or questions you'd use in real life. Also, vocabulary building is key. Whenever you encounter a new word, ask ChatGPT for its translation and example sentences. This method helps you learn new words in context and expands your vocabulary naturally. Don't shy away from grammar. If you are confused about specific grammar rules or sentence structures, ChatGPT can provide explanations and examples. Korean grammar might differ from what you are used to, so having ChatGPT as a resource is incredibly valuable. Lastly, consistency is your ally. Dedicate a bit of time each day to interact with ChatGPT and practice your Korean skills. So, there you have it, a fantastic way to start your journey of learning Korean with ChatGPT. Remember, it's like having a language mentor whenever you need it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.